Excited to show you and talk about our first woman's, let's say, pant or corduroy that we're releasing, and that's the Vintage Rose in the style and cut that I came with. I can go to the background in regards to where I got to this, because it was not my first pant design or my first jean design, but quickly landed here after doing arguably a very, very good pair of jeans, but had, you know, wild limitations in who and how it would fit, because it was, you know, more of a trim cut jean. And then I just loved this style, and I always have on women, and that's kind of the relaxed quote unquote boyfriend jean. And I went full on into that direction, and although it hits and fits really nice on the hips, it drapes with a lot of kind of room that makes it extremely relaxed, and then gives this kind of wild range in which, you know, a woman that's small, like a 24, can wear a 28 and it just looks great. And same vice versa, you know, a woman that's, you know, a bit taller can wear these and it will sit in more of a, let's say, a cropped, you know, inseam. And then full length looks great too, right? And a pair of boots looks great, a pair of fucking tennis shoes look great. But in regards to the design elements, no metal tacks, button fly, my woman's tag, of course the beautiful corduroy we make in Japan, Vintage Rose, my wash, my color. You get down to the pockets. The pocket shape is fun. This will be standard on the women's designs. Seeked out this really, you know, we create our leather patches right now for both these and many of the men's jeans, and we do that with in Japan. This pink leather kind of suits it. All very tonal on this whole design. And then we get down to kind of my cuff and my finish. It's pretty fun. It has you know, one could kind of, I guess, receive this or take it as almost an unfinished sample type look, but it's really refined and really finished. This big cuff's great. This is tonal because we're using pink thread. This is in a contrast thread on the coming jeans, but I absolutely love these, and they look just fucking amazing on all the women that have worn them, tried them on, been able to get their pair so far. So I look forward to more women getting their hands on these and falling in love with them.